Hello kids, good morning. So, have you done the revision of lesson number 4 and done the exercise worksheet? Okay. Now let's start with today we are going to start with the lesson number 5 recap and revision. In this we are going to study about the festivals, about the different types of the festivals, that is religious festival, harvest festival and national festivals. So what are festivals? Festivals are the special days which we celebrate with our family members. We wear new clothes, eat delicious food, exchange gift items with our loved ones. We can also clean and decorate our homes on the festivals. There are different types of the festivals: religious festivals, harvest festivals and national festivals. Religious festivals are related to the god deities. Deities means god. Okay. So first religious festival we are going to talk about is Diwali. Diwali is also known as a festival of lights. People decorate their homes with the diyas, candles and rangolis. They wear new clothes and share gifts with their loved ones. Okay. Next is Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. People sing, dance and play with gulal. A special sweet dish named Gujia is prepared on Holi. Festival we are going to talk about is Eid. Eid is celebrated after a month of fasting called Ramadan. When Muslim people used to fast for a whole month, पूरा month fast रखते हैं, that period is known as Ramadan. People wear new clothes on this day and offer prayer at mosques. We wish each other Eid Mubarak. A special delicacy called sevia is prepared and shared with the friends and family. Next religious festival we are going to talk about is Guru Purab. Guru Nanak Dev was the first Sikh Guru. Guru Purab is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. People wear new clothes and offer prayer at Gurudwaras. Fruits, sweets and breads are distributed on this day. To talk about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year to mark the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ. People decorate their houses with the lights and Christmas trees on Christmas Day. Now, next is Harvest Festival. What are Harvest Festival? Festivals that are celebrated at the time of harvesting. Harvesting means when the crops or grains are ready for cutting. The collection of the crops or grains from the field is known as harvesting of crops, are called harvest festivals. Festivals that celebrates at the time of harvesting of the crops are called harvest festival. Pongal is known as a harvest festival. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu after crops are harvested. People decorate their houses with rangoli. A special delicacy called chakra pongal is made. Chakra pongal is prepared with the rice, milk, jaggery. Jaggery is a type of sugar, gur, and coconut. In Hindi we call jaggery gur. Okay. Next harvest festival we are going to study is Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Rangoli decorations called Pokallams are made. This festival is celebrated with the folk dances and songs. Next is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is also a harvest festival. Baisakhi is popular harvest festival of Punjab. People perform famous bhangras and gidda. Colorful fairs are also organized at many places. Fair means मेले होते हैं, मेले जो मेले लगते हैं. Next we are going to talk about the national festivals. What are national festivals? Festivals that are celebrated by the entire country. When the whole country celebrates the festival are called national festival. First national festival we are going to talk about is Independence Day. We become free from the British rule on 15th August 1947. British rule means अंग्रेजों का राज. We celebrate this day as Independence Day every year. Okay, 15th August is celebrated Independence Day, a day of getting freedom. Okay, that's why it is known as independence. We celebrate this day on 15th August every year by flying kites in the sky, enjoying the freedom. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort on this day and gives a speech. Next is Republic Day. Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day every year on 26 January. There is a grand and colorful parade at the India Gate representing different states and cities of Indian country. Representing different states and cities of India. Gandhi Jayanti is also a national festival. We celebrate 2nd October every year as a Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of the Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. One more thing I would like to share with you. Our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Man, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, and Vande Mataram composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Peacock is our national bird. Tiger is our national animal. Okay. Now I am going to give some homework related to this lesson. Do it in the notebook and discuss it with me in the Zoom app meeting. Okay. Bye. Take care.